Hello, hello. Here's a note about undo through Ctrl-Z. Photoshop is meant to be used by way of hotkeys so you can get into a groove. For that, we have the good old hotkey Ctrl-Z. Before we go any further, you have to check your Photoshop version. As you may already know, there's a big difference between Photoshop CC and all other editions. Assuming you're using the latest version, the process is simple. You want to undo 3 steps. You hit Ctrl-Z 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Easy stuff, but let's switch to any other edition. It can be CC 2018 or CS4 launched way back in 2008. For over 10 years, here's how Ctrl-Z has worked. You hit it once and you go back 1 step. You hit it again and you move forward. Basically, you're toggling the last action. This was especially useful when you wanted to decide between 2 colours, for example. Should you use red for this button or blue? Red or blue, and you went back and forth using Ctrl-Z. In case you wanted to move back several steps after the initial Ctrl-Z command, you had to use Alt-Ctrl-Z. As you can see, each tap takes us back another step. But that's in the past, and I suggest you upgrade to the latest release as soon as possible. In this version, if you want to toggle between 2 states, say like in our red-blue example, the hotkey in question is Alt-Ctrl-Z. I understand this may be a bit confusing, but as long as you're aware which Photoshop edition you're using, you'll be fine. Plus, I've attached a small cheat sheet that you can quickly review and refresh your memory. In conclusion, you have to be aware of this change, especially if you've dabbled with Photoshop before. Adobe, the company that created Photoshop, has received a lot of complaints, but moving forward, this seems the way to go. To sum it up, in the latest release, use Ctrl-Z to undo as many times as you want, and only use Alt-Ctrl-Z if you want to toggle between states. In all other Photoshop versions from CC 2018 to CS4, use Ctrl-Z to undo 1 action, and then Alt-Ctrl-Z to go back multiple steps. Thank you for your patience. I know this is fairly complicated, but there's no getting around it. I'll see you in a second.